Securities are on this display. Is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering.
Lenovo Legion Y700 2023, a gaming tablet just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate display, flagship grade processor, metal design, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 tablet. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. We are unboxing the second generation of the Legion Y700 small tablet. The box contained the complete set of tablets and all around protective covers. Beside the plastic film on the outside, there is a second layer of the disposable sealing that should be intact. Upon opening the box, we find a pocket-sized tablet. There is an accessories pin included which may be unfamiliar to a new user. People might wonder if they are insert a SIM card into the tablet, but unfortunately that's not possible. And the charging cable has a double C port that supports a high power data cable. The charger output power is conventional in size but has been increased to 68.2 watts, which make it fast charging device among tablets. Compared to the previous generation, the tablet feels lighter and has some unique features. The tablet is an 8.8 inch and can be easily held with one hand. It feels different from the holding a mobile phone due to its size. The front lens is placed vertically and the grip from the side is different from the phone. On the top there are Dolby cognitive speakers and at the bottom there are symmetrical speaker cutout and a Type-C connector. The volume keys and the power key on this side, and there is a 3-dimension pattern making it more noticeable to touch. There are also a stereo dual microphone on the side. The tablet has a high highlight corner design, giving it more high-end feel. The back of the tablet looks like a notebook and features a Legend logo. There are a highlight design on the interior and the large area is made of metal, making it look premium. The tablet comes with the newly upgraded dual camera configuration, improving its shooting abilities compared to the previous generation. On the other side, there is a surprisingly Type-C connector and the expansion card slot. The slots are not for inserting a SIM card, but they may be useful for other purpose in the future. Let's talk about the screen to body ratio of this tablet. The front of the tablet has a narrow border on the both sides and symmetrical width at the top and bottom. The screen brightness is excellent because it uses a LCD screen with a high score and high refresh rate. The screen is 8.8 inch with a 2.5K resolution and refresh rate of 144Hz, which is better than the previous 120Hz. It covers 100% of DCI-P3 color space and can reach a peak brightness of 500 nits. Additionally, the display supports a stylus input and can detect 4096 level of pressure, making it suitable for various creative tasks and note-taking. The Y700 2023 comes with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and LPDDR5X RAM. This is significant improvement over the last year's model, which had the Snapdragon 870. The battery capacity remains the same at 6550 mAh. The price of the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 in China starts from 2899 Chini Yuan, roughly 315 pound in UK and 402 US dollars. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any question. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on.